Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. I have been doing macro photography for last 3 years. I am doing both outdoor and indoor. For my tabletop photography, I use lot of different accessories for holding the subject or holding the background or holding the lights. In last few weeks, I have been uploading the use of different accessories and how to make it, how I have made it myself for my tabletop photography. For tabletop macro photography, one of the very important is to hold the subject and hold the background in right place and right direction. In my earlier videos, I have shown this magic arm. This magic arm is slightly expensive and you have to make a base for this, and it may not be very suitable for the beginners to make some base like this because you cannot buy this online. So this is a drive shaft and this is the magic clamp, and I've shown how to use this in my early videos. But today for the beginners I'm showing a very simple and very easy and absolutely very cheap item for holding the subject or background. This is all about this laboratory stand. We call it bullet stand or laboratory stand. You can find online in Amazon and or any laboratory equipment supplier store. This stand and a pair of clamp. Let me show you. This is absolutely cheap and easily available, and you don't have to go to workshop for doing anything. All you have to fix it like this. So this is the bullet stand. You can buy online and you can make very good use of it. What you can do with this? And you can move, you can turn it around in all directions. So for instance, if you want to fix a background, all you have to do, find a ballpoint pen like this or a metal rod or anything long straight. Let me put this ballpoint pen. You can fix anything like this. I want to put this brown leaf as a background for my macro photography. I have clipped this with a black clip, hang it over here. See? Now, this is your background for your macro photography. You can adjust the height or you can set the angle like this of your background. So you can hang the background, a brown colored dried leaf or a piece of paper, or a piece of plastic, anything you want to put as a background. So this is very useful accessory for your tabletop macro photography. And you can adjust the height, you can adjust the length, and if you want to put some subject on it, you can also do it. If you want to put the subject, and if you don't have this magic arm, you can do it with this. Make a crocodile clip like this. In last week, I have uploaded the video on this crocodile clip. You fit this crocodile clip on the laboratory clamp. Put your flower over here, set the angle, you can change the angle anywhere you like, change the height. So what do you think? This is the most easiest and simplest of doing macro photography on a tabletop studio. Just you have a couple of this stand and clamp for your studio. One for subject, one for background. Nothing else you need. But for accessory, this is the most easiest and simplest of doing for holding the subject and the background. Just to buy a pair of stand and a clamp. If you like to have more videos like this in future, please make a comment below so that I can make more videos for macro photography beginners. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Stay connected. Bye bye.